Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the lens quickly. Mask the painted panels so you don't damage trim. Use 400 grit if paint is thick, otherwise start with 800 grit. Keep a spray bottle handy and sand wet. This prevents deep scratches and removes paint layers evenly. Once the surface looks dull and most paint is gone, switch to finer grit to smooth. Make sure to rinse frequently, so debris doesn't grind into the plastic and create scratches. Now you refine the lens. Move to 1500 then 2000 grit, sanding wet in overlapping circles. This blends the edges of any remaining paint and restores clarity. Once the surface is uniformly matte, apply a small amount of rubbing compound and buff using a microfiber pad. Use steady, moderate pressure so you remove haze without heating the plastic. After buffing, wipe residue and inspect closely. If cloudiness remains, repeat compound and finish with a cleaner polish to restore shine. Finish by applying a plastic polish, buffing until clear, then protect with a UV sealant to prevent yellowing. Remove all tape and clean any overspray off paint carefully. Use a clay mitt or mild solvent only where safe. Once complete, test the beam for proper aim and brightness. If a small patch still shows paint, don't oversand. Repeat targeted wet sanding with finer grit or use a plastic-safe solvent on a cotton swab. If damage occurs, consider professional restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.